This is the shocking truth about the dragon fruit. The dragon fruit, also known as the pitaya, is an eye-catching fruit native to southern Mexico and Central America. While they may not breathe fire, these scaly-looking fruits have still got a few tricks up their sleeves. Up their sleeves? Fruits don't even have sleeves. What am I? If you've never had a dragon fruit before, that's okay. They're pretty freaking weird. For starters, the dragon fruit is actually a cactus. It is filled with a sweet, juicy, whiter red pulp speckled with black seeds and grows on trees that can reach heights of up to— oh my god! Look at that thing. That's f***ing crazy. The dragon fruit is sometimes called the Queen of the Night for its spellbindingly beautiful flowers that bloom only once the sun's gone down. Despite this nocturnal party animal's high-fashion look, the dragon fruit's taste will be familiar to most. Many have described it as a cross between a kiwi and a pear. While it's a popular addition to smoothies and alcoholic drinks, the dragon fruit is typically served chilled and raw. In addition to tasting sweet and looking like an eldritch being beyond comprehension, the dragon fruit can boast an exhaustive list of health benefits. Its high antioxidant count helps to reduce risks of diabetes and cancer while boosting immunity, heart function, and digestion. Its high vitamin and magnesium content means it can fight physical signs of aging, promote greater bone strength, reduce inflammation and acne, and even prevent eyesight deterioration. And there you have it, folks. The next time you're looking for a sweet, low-calorie fruit that's overflowing with style, look no further than the dragon fruit. This has been the shocking truth about the dragon fruit. From all of us here at Dherbs, good night.